Hey, what's up guys? It's your friend Fast Eddie, and today I got something pretty cool to show you. This is the 1992 Ford Bronco Nite Edition. I'll show you around the outside of the box first, and then we'll open it up and see what we get inside. So this is just how it comes from Greenlight. Really nice, sharp looking box here. Obviously it says Greenlight in the foil paper. It's really nice. It's debossed. Looks real good. Show you the top of the box. And then I don't think there's anything on the bottom. Oh, okay, I'm lying to you. Yes, there is. So you can probably just freeze frame that if you want to read all the stuff about it. It is obviously trademark Ford, and it's got the little Ford stamp sticker on it as well. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so here it is outside of the box, obviously, and I left it there so you can see how they wrap it. It comes in a nice little thick styrofoam, and then they cover it with this little, I mean, it's a pretty thick sheet of plastic there. And then obviously the Bronco itself, and then the cap is actually stashed in the top piece of the styrofoam, and it's actually screwed into the styrofoam with these little screws on the bottom, but I went ahead and already undid that, so let's pull it out. Woo-wee. Look at that! That is sharp. The black on this thing is crazy good. I mean, they really did an excellent job on the paint on this thing. It looks beautiful. It's way, way better in person, guys. I can tell you that right now. They did the really good stripe on it for the Nite Edition. It's got the chrome wheels on it. Looks real nice. Like I said, the cap does come off, obviously. The spare tire actually opens up, swings out, and the tailgate drops down. And it even says Nite here on it, which is really cool. I do like the little extra touches of having the defroster on the back. It's kind of neat. But like I said, that stripe looks really good, and in the bright light it looks even better. It's got like almost like a metallic tint to it, which is very cool. Now once again, the hood does not open on these, but the doors come open and the top comes off. This Nite Edition is all blacked out, like the kids like to say, murdered out nowadays, but it's got the black bumpers, front and back, black grille. But I guess nowadays, I guess they put black wheels on it, which I can't stand, but that's probably what they would have done nowadays. But yeah, guys, there it is. Pretty highly detailed, third brake light, Ford emblems. Let me see if I can't pop this spare tire. You know, it swings open like a real one does. And obviously you can pull the cap off and drop the tailgate down. It's got the gray leather interior, which looks super nice. It's even got Ford on the airbag steering wheel. Pretty cool. But yeah, guys, so there's just a real quick look at the 1/18th Greenlight Artisan Edition of the Bronco Nite Edition. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I got a couple more of these coming in, guys. These are really, really nice additions from Greenlight. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.